I was just wondering, what's to keep everybody from going out and conquering other planets, when we have unlimited energy to do so?
Okay. This is a good question. Actually, it rests some of the data that just came out in the last few weeks, showing that unlike what was thought earlier, planetary systems in our universe are not rare at all, but they're actually quite common. And the latest survey estimates that there's at least 1.6 planets per star, and so that almost all stars have planets, and many of them have multiple, many planets. There's about 100 billion star in our solar system. That's a conservative estimate. In our galaxy, up to maybe 300 billion. There's billions and billions and billions of galaxies. I assure you that when you reach this level of technology, the concept of invasion is no longer necessary. The concept of scarcity is no longer necessary. The idea that there is not enough goods and that there is not enough resources for everybody goes away. And at the same time, the fundamental preservation and survival instinct that produce war is minimized and if not disappear completely. It is a completely new paradigm when you're able to reach the universe.